And here is something we don't see every day. This dog with his head sticking out of a brick wall. First responders say the dog got stuck while trying to look through a dryer vent. Take a look at the view from inside the Alabama home. Police say they had to use some special tools to chip away at that brick and drywall to make a bigger hole around that dog's head.
The dog was tickled to death. It never barked. It never tried to bite us. It was just ready to get back in the house.
Yeah, they believe that dog saw another dog through the dryer vent and tried to go after it. Don't worry, the dog was not seriously hurt.
That's some good news.
Good end of the story there.
Absolutely.
All right.